Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be making sorrel tea, also known as hibiscus tea, or in Spanish, té de flor de Jamaica. You'll need 4 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of dried hibiscus flowers. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. In a large saucepan, add your water and dried hibiscus flowers. You're going to bring it to a boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. Then remove from heat and allow to cool for consumption. It can be consumed hot or cold based on your preference. Serve and enjoy.